Hey guys, today in this Mercedes CLA we fitted this CarPlay interface with reversing camera. As you can see, we have CarPlay working from the original button here. You can also use the original button to switch to original, or to switch back to CarPlay. We also have a reversing camera as well, with the moving guidelines and sensors. We also have Android Auto and YouTube as well.